All right, so welcome to the Circuit Lab. So this link here that says click here to build circuits will bring you to a website. Actually, it'll bring you to a website that looks like this. So the first thing is to click Intro. Now you have this blank blue screen. This is where you're going to build your circuit. So first, build a circuit similar to this picture right here. It may take some time to kind of play around with how things move, but you have the parts of all the circuit that would require right here. So wires, battery, light bulb. So you can go back and forth and see, okay, there's two light bulbs, there's a battery, there's wires connecting everything together. So take your time, but see how things kind of attach to each other. Now I will say, and if you make a mistake, you just click on the link and then break it. For example, let's say you're trying to connect a light bulb and you connect it right here. See how this circle isn't occupied or connected? That won't work. So you'll have to connect it just like that. So try your best to build the circuit just like this picture. It might be kind of different looking, but it should have two light bulbs, a battery, and wires connecting. So once you do that, you'll answer these questions. So use the down arrow to see if you can add more parts to the circuit. Find the eraser. So once you have your circuit, I'll just build a simple circuit right now. It lights up, right? Oh my gosh. So now, when it says find the eraser, it means this column here. Press the down arrow, and there's all these different things you can add. There's the eraser. So you're going to add the eraser and then hook this up to your circuit. And then answer the question, did the light bulb stay lit? Then you're going to remove the eraser and add a paper clip. There's the paper clip, and you're going to connect the two. Did the light bulb stay lit? Now remember, you're making two light bulbs. I just did one because I was lazy. So then you're going to complete the sentences using insulator or conductor. Remember, the conductor allows electricity through, an insulator does not. So you will choose whether the eraser is a conductor or an insulator, and if the paperclip is a conductor or an insulator. Then number 7, you're going to drag the ammeter. It looks like this. You're going to drag it over to the circuit to measure the current. Place the target on the wire. What number does it say? Oops. So I'm going to remove that and connect that so I have a circuit here that's working. I'll drag this ammeter over and place the target over the wire. Yours might have a different number, so be careful. Then, because you have two light bulbs, remember? Then you're going to remove a light bulb and again measure it. And then this part where it says you choose. You're going to choose items from that parts column to add things to your circuit or remove things and measure the current using the ammeter. And this is where you're going to type what items you added or changed and your observations. For example, let's say, I'm going to put this to the side right here. Let's say, look at this. Actually, I'm going to add, maybe I'll add 3 light bulbs. That light bulb's kind of doing weird things. So make sure I have everything connected. Great. I'm going to add a hand and see what happens. So my current is 0, so nothing really happens. Basically, electricity is not flowing through. So right here I would say hand, and then I would type no electricity or no current, whatever you observe right there. And that's it.